Welcome back.
Welcome to the Bubmobile. Check your mirrors.
Mirror.
Oh, I look a bit rough today, not gonna lie.
Rain Bob.
My teeth,
Rain Bob.
they're just bones at the end of the day.
I
Aren't they?
suppose you're right.
Yes, they're full of interesting things to say. Start the car. I'm not going to keep doing this, but you get the general idea. Grab wheel with both hands. Or one if you'll need to use this for something else, like waving.